Hey guys, what is up? It's Sports Talk. I told you in the last video that we were going to open these, and again, if there's no in the last video, it means the file got corrupted. And first we're going to start with these Garbage Pail Kids, and then we will move on to the Topps Yearbook, whatever the heck that means. But we start with the Garbage Pail Kids. I don't really think there's anything super valuable in these, but you never know. Oh, I feel the stick of AIDS on the back. There's some residue on the back. That's disgusting. But, look at that. That's been marinating in there for, let's see, 19, when? Frickin' 1988, right? 7th series, what year? 1987. That's been marinating in there since 1987. It's delicious. Cheers. Not actually eating that. That's disgusting. Brent. I can freaking feel the residue on the back. Jughead Ted. His brain's falling off. That's, oh, that's disgusting. They wanted kids to open these? Dear God. That's actually pretty disgusting. Okay. Elastic Elwood. That's pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good. And Nessa Undresser. Okay then. Yeah, we're just gonna act like that's not there. We're just gonna act like that did not happen. And now we're gonna crack open. Hey, look, it's, oh, what the? What the? Oh. Yeah, that's pretty appetizing. And who doesn't want to think of that before they go to bed? That is, just listen to this. Sounds like bricks falling on top of each other. Dear God, save us all. Oh. That's disgusting, Topps. There's the frickin' disgustingness. It's a Martian. It's like Baby Yoda on steroids. What the? Crack? Even more crack. I mean, that's a lot of crack. And that's even more crack. That's a lot. Like, that's just overboard amount of crack. Then we have this 30-cent. I don't know if that was back then or if my uncle tried to sell these at a yard sale. Topps 1980 yearbook cards. They're just basically mini cards is what I'm getting from this. And there's gum in it. I expect nothing less. That's beautiful. 1988. Yep. Who's that? Randy Johnson? Oh, Ozzie Virgil. I say Randy. I don't know. Lou Whitaker, Sid Fernandez, Joe Carter. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there's a good, just, dear God, why? Why? I don't understand. Probably nothing over 10 cents in that whole box, but next video we'll be opening this beautiful pack. 1991. It's not focusing because it's on AIDS. On AIDS? Can you be on AIDS? Whatever. 1991. Puzzle and cards with a chance of a Ken Griffey Jr. And along with that, some 1988 Topps. Also, one of these little fold out packs that we all know and love. until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.